If you're a jeweler tired of struggling with complicated photo setups, poor lighting, and endless retakes, this is for you. Meet the GemLightbox Pro, the world's first smartphone jewelry lightbox, trusted by over 20,000 jewelers and featured by Forbes and the Jewelry World Awards. This plug-and-play system was designed to help you capture studio-quality images and 360-degree videos in just one click. Setup? There's none. Just plug it in. You're in control of everything through our powerful GemIQ software. With our powerful software, you can capture one 360-degree video along with 4 perfect different angle shots in just 15 seconds and one click. Jewelry description happens automatically as our software recognizes your gemstones and metals for accurate descriptions. Want to share it to a customer like a professional website? Let's do that in just another click. Inside the GemLightbox, you'll find 2 turntables. One on the bottom for all your rings, bracelets, and lay-flat jewelry. One of the top so you can capture all your necklaces, pendants, earrings, and watches perfectly. It also comes with 2 magnetic lights. The sparkles light, perfect for diamonds and faceted stones, and the yellow light that helps bring out the true color of your rubies, emeralds, and other warm-tone gems. It comes with interchangeable international adapters, so you're ready to use it wherever you are in the world. A custom smartphone stand for precise angles, magnetic necklace and earring holders, and a dual-angle shooting system, front and top. Capture, share, and supercharge the sales of your entire jewelry collection in just a few clicks. Together, let's redefine what's possible.